Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do Shopify Dawn theme header customization. So the first step you need to do is to open Shopify and you need to log in into your account. Once you've done that, you simply need to come on to your online store and then you need to come on to the themes page. So once you are on the themes page, you simply need to select the Dawn theme from here. As you can see that I already added. Then you simply need to go and click on customization. So once you click on that, you will come on to the customization page from where you can customize your header. So let's suppose I want to customize. So you simply need to click here and here you can see that the header is now selected and here you can see my store. So you can select the position where you want to place. So you can add on to the top left, top center, and you can select into middle center as well. So here you can see that. So it is up to you how you can change that, and now I'm going to show you how you can change this as well. So here is the main menu option. You simply need to click on that and the next page will be open. So once you are on that page, from that page here you can see menu, catalog, contact. Either you want to edit, you can change the name from here, home to for example. So I'm going to apply change, and if you want to add any menu items, you simply need to click on that and you can add any menu item. So I'm going to add my list and click on add. Search or paste a link. So I'm going to add search for example. Okay, now it is added. Then you need to click on save change and come back onto your store, refresh your store. So it will be appear here the change that you made. So let me make this change here. So once you done that change on this page, let me add anything. Once you save that, you simply need to go back and let me refresh here. So now you can see that complete list is modified. So once it is modified, now I'm going to show you what other change you can do. So I'm going to show you, if you want to change the color scheme, you simply need to come here and select the black color. So this is the process that you need to follow to change the color. And if you want, you can increase the bottom margin from here as well. So it is up to you how you want to play with this all, and you can increase the top padding as well, and from here you can increase the bottom padding. So this is the complete process how you can customize Dawn theme header in Shopify. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.